guys, my name is Sevims. Welcome to my channel. Let's get started with Salesforce. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one. If you already have, you can sign in. And once we sign in, we will start learning. Let's see how to plan our pipeline. Manage your pipeline. Understand and take action on every deal in the pipeline. Select all opportunities. To view your team deals at a glance, click Display Switcher, select Kanban. Identify potential problems. Update deals on the fly. Instantly update sales management. Click Dashboard tab. Click all dashboards. You can see all the dashboards in here. You can create dashboards and also you can share dashboards. You can see shared dashboards as well. Click Sales Manager dashboard. Sales Manager. Make sure your funnel is full and evenly distributed. Stay up to date on your top accounts. So this is how you go around your pipeline. Close more deals. Close more deals. Track all your customer information and interactions in one place to close more business with Salesforce. These are opportunities, opportunity name. Click the first deal and let's dive in. Best practices and customizable sales processes will help accelerate your deals. Hover on the contact's name to gain instant insight. Quickly view top contacts, tasks, files, and more to understand your customer in a whole new way. Account name, information, click on the customers. Track every customer interaction. Keep your team in the loop by tracking every call, email, and event initiative timeline. This will be your activity. Let's go to Sell Smarter. Get ready to sell. Understand the state of your business and what's at the top of your priority list. Track your progress and exceed your quota with real-time sales charts. Understand what's important. See overdue tasks, hot deals, and all opportunities with potential problems. Thanks to the assistant, never let a scale fall through the cracks. This will be quarterly performance. Trap top deals. Maintain focus on your larger deals, making sure you close every deal faster. Now we will go through Sell Your Way. This is how we start using once we logged in. This is the demo of you can customize your sales process, add whichever task you want. Extend Salesforce with App Exchange. The App Exchange is the world's leading business app marketplace, home to thousands of apps that extend the power of Salesforce, giving your reps the additional tools to close faster and sell more. Create custom apps with Schema Builder. With Force.com, you can track any data element and build apps with few simple clicks. Start customizing your apps now. This is all. This is how you get started with Salesforce, and once you go inside, you can then dive in and start using the Salesforce. That's all for today. Thanks for listening. I hope it gives you insight about Salesforce, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. If you are interested to see more about AWS and apps, new apps, how to use them, and a little bit information about them, follow my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye.